Yeah, I bet that'll be fun.
What?
Sounds.
Oh, I didn't say anything about your sounds when you came out of the office. You were like super loud.
I know.
Yeah.
For this level, we have to. For this level, we have to survive the zombie attack with the given plants. What have they given us? Lily pad, homing thistle, walnut.
What kind of sounds do you think I'll make if I play like Place with Zombies?
A lot of intense hyperventilating because of how tense it is.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no, wow. This level is. The only stunt producing plant they've given us is something that it's pretty mediocre, I guess. Sunbeam. When zombies eat it, they give off sun when they take damage. And our only normal attacking plant is homing thistle, which is like a cattail but worse because it only shoots out one spike. That walnut is really taking a beating on row 4. That's the perfect zombie to eat a sunbeam, a buckethead zombie.
Does that mean you count towards one of your 5 plants?
No, I beat that level.
Oh, okay, that was just only that one.
After that, there was the last stand one. No, man. Hey, no, don't take my sunbeam. Come on, kill the fisherman guy. No! No! Actually, never mind, not no, but still, the fisherman guy is still there. Oh, there's another. How am I supposed to deal with that guy? The octopus guy. Oh, wait. Tango killed him. That's not good. He got rid of one of my attackers. No, that is very not good. He got rid of one of my plants.
Oh, what are your attacking plants?
Yeah. Yeah, look, I only have one. What am I supposed to do? Like, wow, that was the wrong zombie. Oh man, Tango Kelp will only go for one of them. Are you kidding me? Yeah, no, we lost the lawnmower. can give him a sunbeam when it's done recharging. Just need the sun first. Whoa, no, he took my sunbeam before he got the chance to do its thing. Now we've lost all of our lawnmowers and it's the final wave. We're gonna have to break out the coins for the power-ups. Tango Kelp take care of a Gargantuar. I don't... Oh, it did not. There we go. I had to use a couple of my free power-ups, but I did it. I can move on to the boss level. This is the last boss level I have to do.